All right, team, huddle up. It's time to bring that same energy we use on the field, in the gym, or at work, and channel it into something that can change your life forever. It's your boy, Sergeant Terry Jeffords, and today we're not talking about taking down perps or building dollhouses. Nope, today we're switching gears and focusing on a different kind of strength, the kind that helps you build your future. No, today we're talking about something even more powerful, money. That's right, the stuff that pays the bills, puts food on the table, and lets you treat yourself and your loved ones. We're going to get our financial muscles looking as good as Terry's pecs. And trust me, those pecs didn't get strong overnight. It took dedication, practice, and a plan. Your finances are no different. A lot of people are scared of this topic, but Terry is here to tell you it's not that complicated. You don't need a finance degree or a fancy suit to get started. Financial literacy is for everyone. It's the key to building the life you want, full of stability, joy, and all the yogurt you can eat. Whether you're a student, a parent, or just starting out, you deserve to feel confident about your money. Think of your money like a muscle. Ignore it. It gets weak. Train it. It gets strong. Just like you wouldn't skip leg day, you shouldn't skip learning about your finances. This isn't about becoming a Wall Street genius overnight. You don't have to know every stock or memorize complicated charts to win with money. It's about taking small, smart steps, just like adding one more rep to your workout. Every little bit counts, and progress adds up over time. We'll break it down into simple, clear rules anyone can follow. No jargon, no confusion, just real talk and practical tips you can use right away. Terry believes in you, and by the end of this, you'll believe in yourself too. You've got what it takes to flex those financial muscles and crush your goals. So grab a notebook, maybe a healthy snack, and get ready to learn. Take notes, ask questions, and don't be afraid to start small. Every champion started somewhere. Let's get this money. Woo! Your journey to financial strength starts right now, and Terry's got your back every step of the way. So what is this big, scary thing called financial literacy? Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Financial literacy is simply the set of skills and knowledge that helps you make smart decisions with your money. It's like learning the rules of a game before you play. You wouldn't play football without knowing what a touchdown is, right? Same with money. It's about understanding how money works, so you can make it work for you. It's knowing how to save, invest, handle debt, and protect yourself from bad deals. Financial literacy is your personal GPS for navigating the world of money. With it, you have a clear map and control over your destination. It's your toolbox and blueprint for building a strong financial life. Being financially literate means you're in the driver's seat, making decisions and controlling your money. It's the foundation for everything else we'll talk about, and Terry is your personal trainer every step of the way. Let's talk about two important ideas: financial freedom and financial confidence. Financial freedom is the goal, having enough money coming in to cover your bills without working a job. Financial confidence is your mindset, believing in your ability to make money no matter what happens. You need both. Confidence is the engine, freedom is the destination. Lottery winners often lose it all because they lack confidence and literacy. Someone with little money but lots of confidence is on the right path. The real magic happens when you have both. Build your financial confidence first. Learn, grow, and make smarter choices. That confidence powers your journey toward freedom. It keeps you going when things get tough. It's the belief that you are the creator of your own wealth. So our first workout: build unshakable financial confidence. Because you can. Terry knows it. If learning about money is so important, why doesn't everyone do it? It's a question that puzzles many of us, especially when we see how crucial financial knowledge is for a secure future. The truth is, most people never get the chance to learn about money in a meaningful way, and there are several reasons why. One big reason is the scarcity mindset. From a young age, we're taught to see money as something limited, something that's always just out of reach. We grow up hearing phrases like, "money doesn't grow on trees," which makes us fear and avoid talking about money altogether. This fear can make money feel mysterious or even dangerous to discuss. Another reason is comfort zones. Improving your financial situation means stepping out of what feels safe and familiar. It requires facing uncomfortable truths and being willing to learn new things, even if it feels awkward at first. Many people would rather stay where they are, even if it means struggling, than risk trying something new and possibly failing. The fear of making mistakes with money can be paralyzing. Most people get their financial advice from friends and family who are also financially illiterate. like asking someone who's never been to the gym for workout tips. This cycle keeps everyone stuck in the same place. Bad advice, passed down from generation to generation, keeps people stuck and afraid to make changes. To get real results, you need to learn from people who've actually achieved what you want. Seeking out mentors, coaches, or even online resources can make a huge difference. But there's another barrier: self-esteem. Many people don't believe they deserve wealth or financial success. Deep down, they might feel unworthy or think that money is only for other people. They see rich people and think, "That's not for me," as if wealth is reserved for a select few. This lack of belief holds them back from even trying, causing them to miss out on opportunities that could change their lives. But Terry says, no matter your background, you do deserve financial success. It's not about luck or privilege, it's about mindset and action. Building wealth starts with believing it's possible for you, and then taking small steps toward your goals every day. See yourself as someone who can succeed with money. Visualize your goals, track your progress, and celebrate every win, no matter how small. That mindset shift is the most important first step. When you start to believe in your own potential, everything else becomes possible. Rule number 1, do not invest in things you don't understand. If you can't explain it to a 10-year-old, don't put your money in it. There are always people selling guaranteed investments. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Your first and best investment is in yourself. Learn before you leap. Read, watch, and study everything about what you want to invest in. Example, if your cousin pitches you on crypto for llamas but you don't get it, say no or do your homework first. A smarter investment is something you already know, like buying a new oven if you're a baker. This rule protects you from scams and your own excitement. It forces you to slow down and act like a professional. Always learn first, then invest. This simple rule will save you from headaches and heartaches. Build your financial foundation on solid rock, not sand. Rule number 2, debt can help you or hurt you. Debt is a tool. Like a chainsaw, it can build or destroy. Bad debt is borrowing for things that lose value and don't make money, like credit cards for fancy TVs or vacations. Bad debt takes money out of your pocket every month. Good debt is borrowing to buy something that will make you more money, like starting a business or buying a rental property. Good debt puts money in your pocket. The difference is all about the plan. Good debt has a clear strategy to pay it back with income from the asset. Bad debt just drains you. Before taking on debt, ask, will this put money in my pocket or take it out? If it generates income, it could be good debt. If it's just for a lifestyle upgrade, it's bad debt. Use debt as a strategic tool. Build your financial cabin, not a money pit. Rule number 3, think like a rich person. This isn't about buying gold jet skis, it's about your mental strategy. Most people play defense, always cutting back and worrying about what they can't afford. Saving is good, but you can't save your way to wealth. Rich people play offense. They focus on increasing income, not just cutting expenses. They ask, how can I make an extra $500 instead of how can I save $5? This mindset shift opens up new possibilities. Focus on expansion, learn new skills, start a side hustle, or turn a hobby into income. The goal is to make enough so you don't have to worry about small expenses. Support your lifestyle by increasing income, not shrinking your life. Be smart. Live within your means, but spend your energy creating, not worrying. See yourself as an earner and investor. Start playing offense. Get your mind swole with money-making ideas. Rule number 4, build high-value skills to buy assets that put money in your pocket. An asset puts money in your pocket. A liability takes it out. Your goal, use your money to buy more assets. Don't have money for assets? Build high-value skills first. Skills like digital marketing, coding, sales, or trades are in high demand. High-value skills mean higher income. Use that extra income to buy assets, things that earn you money even while you sleep. Example, learn to build websites, earn extra cash, save it, and buy a rental property. That property pays you every month. Your skill bought you an asset. That's the game plan. Skill leads to income. Income buys assets. Assets create more income. Repeat the cycle. This is how you build true wealth. Your brain and abilities are your biggest asset. Invest in yourself, then invest in assets. So, there you have it, team. The 4 rules to unlock your financial power. These aren't just tips, they're the foundation for a new way of thinking about money and your future. When you understand these principles, you're not just surviving, you're setting yourself up to thrive. Financial literacy is simply understanding the rules of the money game. It's about knowing how money works, how to make it work for you, and how to avoid the traps that keep so many people stuck. The more you learn, the more confident you become in making smart decisions. Financial freedom is the goal. Financial confidence is the engine that gets you there. When you believe in your ability to handle money, you start to see opportunities everywhere. You stop feeling anxious and start feeling empowered. The rules are simple but powerful. Invest in what you understand so you're never caught off guard by surprises. Know the difference between good debt that helps you grow and bad debt that holds you back. This awareness is a game changer. Think like a rich person. Focus on building assets, not just collecting paychecks. It's a mindset shift that opens doors. And use high-value skills to buy assets, not liabilities. Every new skill you learn is a tool for building your wealth. Anyone can do this. It doesn't matter where you start, how much you have, or what your background is. The path is open to everyone willing to take the first step. The journey begins with a single step: the decision to learn, to grow, and to take control of your financial story. And it starts with the belief that you can do more, that you are capable of change, and that your future is in your hands. Don't try to do everything at once. Pick one thing to focus on. Small, consistent actions are more powerful than big, unsustainable changes. Maybe read a finance book this week, or listen to a podcast that inspires you to think differently about money, or brainstorm a skill to learn next month. Write down your goals and break them into steps. Building wealth takes time, patience, and consistency. Like planting seeds, you won't see results overnight, but with care and effort, your financial garden will grow. There will be tough days, setbacks, and moments of doubt, but don't give up. Every challenge is a lesson that makes you stronger. Celebrate small wins. Every smart choice is a rep for your financial muscles. Track your progress and be proud of every step forward. Over time, those reps add up and you get stronger, more confident, and closer to your goals. The sunrise of your financial future is just ahead. You have what you need to build a better future. Believe in yourself, trust the process, and know that you're not alone on this journey. You are the sergeant of your own financial life. You call the shots, you set the pace, and you lead the charge. Now go build your financial muscle. Terry's proud of you. Who wants some yogurt? Remember, every day is a new chance to get stronger and move closer to your dreams.